Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your wealth with New York Life, beginner guide step by step clearly. Protecting your wealth is crucial in today's financial landscape. New York Life offers various options to help you secure your financial future. Start by understanding your financial goals and needs. Assess your current financial situation, including assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. This will help you identify areas that require protection. Consider your risk tolerance and how comfortable you are with market fluctuations. Next, explore the different products offered by New York Life. Life insurance is a foundational option for wealth protection. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specified period, ideal for temporary needs. Whole life insurance offers lifelong coverage with a savings component. Universal life insurance allows for flexible premiums and death benefits. Annuities can be a great way to grow your wealth safely. Fixed annuities offer guaranteed returns, while variable annuities allow investment in the market. Consider adding long-term care insurance to safeguard against unexpected health-related expenses. Meet with a New York Life agent to discuss your options in detail. They can help you tailor a plan that fits your specific needs. Take advantage of any retirement accounts or savings plans available to you. Maximize contributions to tax-advantaged accounts such as IRAs or 401(k)s. Review your insurance policies regularly to ensure they meet your evolving financial needs. Stay informed about market trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. Educate yourself on estate planning to pass on your wealth effectively. Draft a will and consider setting up trusts to manage your assets. Communication with family members about your wealth protection plan is essential. Lastly, remain proactive in your financial planning. Regularly reassess your strategies with your New York Life agent. This will help ensure optimal protection of your wealth over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.